ribs. Now we want to know what are the ribs. Actually, ribs are the embossed pattern on steel rod outer surface. Just keep this in mind. Embossed pattern on the steel rod outer surface. This is known as the ribs. Now ribs, it's divided into two types. Number one, transverse, and number two, longitudinal. Let me tell you which is the transfer and which is the longitudinal. Now for the transverse ribs, these are ribs along the perimeters. Okay, the ribs along the perimeter is known as transverse ribs. These are like this. And next one is the longitudinal. It is along the length of the rod. The length of rod. Now I will show you this example. I have this rod with me. In this rod, this is the rib, which is known as the transverse ribs. It is on the perimeter. And this rib, which is along the length of this rod, this rib, this is known as our longitudinal rib. Please see this one. This is the longitudinal rib, and this rib is known as our transverse rib. This I am showing you as an example that you should try to understand what is the transverse and what is the longitudinal. Now after doing this, we will try to know about its pattern. As about pattern is concerned, how these ribs look like. Before I go on explain how these ribs look like, please let me tell you, our steel grade is of the following type: B500A, B500B, and B500C. And my area of concern is only this one, B500B. As per standard, BS 4449, its pattern is like this. Now I will draw its pattern like when you will see the pattern like this, then you clearly will understand that this type of the steel being used is B500B. As I have shown you pattern over here, now same pattern, because this rod is with me. This rod is with me. You see this rod, it is like this, it is like this, it is like this, it is like this, and this is the center line. And similarly on this side, it is like this, it is like this, this is the pattern. That's it. So this is the pattern that how these ribs are looking like for the transfer and the longitudinal. This pattern is an indication that this is our B500B. Okay.